Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just click on Theme section and scroll down to see all available ones. You can even click on Show More at the bottom right corners. When you're ready, tap on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And to save your new theme, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, you can always do that by accessing the same settings, but this time tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, or select one of those sources and pick a photo from them. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!